and I'm gonna raise the hood up. Today, I'm going to show you how to open the hood of a car, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna show you how to open the hood so you can access everything underneath the hood, such as the oil, the windshield washer fluid, yada, 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 a lot of stuff. All right, so let's get started. But before we get started, if you found my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of a vehicle. I'm inside of this car. In order to do that, first, make sure the vehicle's in park, apply the parking brake, and make sure the vehicle's off. Did I say that already? Yeah, I did. All right. So the vehicle's off, and make sure you're on a flat, level surface, okay? So inside the vehicle, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open the door because it gives me a little bit more space to work and see. And then I'm going to look down towards the left side. And you'll see something that looks like this. Now, your vehicle may be slightly different, but you'll notice one thing. You'll notice that symbol right there with the hood open. That is for the hood latch. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here. I'm going to pull this. You hear that little pop thing right there. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to go around the vehicle to the front of the vehicle. Go around to the front of the vehicle. And I'm going to look underneath here. Now, if you try to raise it, it will not raise up. And why? Because there's a safety mechanism underneath there. Now, if you look right here, there's a yellow, something yellow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and push it to the left. Now, some vehicles, you may have to push it to the right, or you may have to lift up on it just like that to release the safety lever. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to go ahead and push it to the left, and I'm going to raise the hood up. Now, some vehicles, when you raise the hood up, it will stay up automatically. But most vehicles, it has a kickstand, or I call it a kickstand right here. I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to put it into that place right there. See that? And right there, the hood stays open. You're able to access everything underneath the hood that you could ever dream of. I don't know why you would be dreaming about anything underneath the hood, but if that's your thing, then that's your thing. So with the hood up, I'm able to do it. Now to close it, I'm simply gonna come right here, raise the hood slightly, pull this out, put it back into place, right there. And then just let the hood drop if you want to, or slowly, and just release it like that. And the hood is now closed. And that's how you open the hood of a car, as well as close the hood of a car. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.